If you've studied music theory, then you know that music written in a key is built upon the notes of the scale. The notes of the scale are the pitches a composer can choose from to form a melody. They are also the notes the composer can choose from to form harmonies. Using only the notes of the C major scale, here seen in blue, we can form the following chords. If a composer is writing a piece in the key of C major, these 7 chords are the chords they will most likely use to harmonize their melodies and to construct their chords. It is possible for a chord to use pitches outside of the key, but right now we're only dealing with diatonic chords, chords that use only the pitches of the diatonic scale. In this lesson, we will look at 3 chords in particular: the 1 chord, the 4 chord, and the 5 chord. These chords are called the primary chords. It doesn't matter which notes of the scale we choose to form our melodies, they can all be harmonized with one of these 3 chords. The following diagram will help to illustrate this. Here, the right hand consists of a C major scale. The left hand consists only of the primary chords and can harmonize the scale.